Today we'll show you how to filter and export the subscriptions that are renewing soon. This can be really useful if we want to know how much revenue we will get in these next 15 days from renewing subscriptions, to evaluate how many of them are indeed renewing, among other things. For this, we need to find all the WooCommerce subscriptions that will renew in the next days and then export them to a CSV file to send the report to our team. To do this, we'll use the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to view and edit all subscriptions in a spreadsheet. You'll be able to do advanced searches and apply bulk changes quickly. In addition, you will be able to export all subscriptions to Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. Once you install and activate the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin, you'll need to configure the WooCommerce subscription spreadsheet. To do this, go to the Plugin Setup Spreadsheet section, and select the subscription spreadsheet. Then, click on Save. Now we can select the columns we want to display in the spreadsheet. On this side, we show all the columns that will be displayed in the spreadsheet. And on this side the ones that will be hidden. When you have finished selecting the columns, save the settings to generate the spreadsheet. You'll now see the subscriptions displayed in the spreadsheet. Each row is a subscription, and each column is a field. To search for all active subscriptions that are coming up for renewal, let's say we are looking for all the subscriptions that will be renewed between January 1st and January 15th, 2022. To do this, we need to start by opening the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Enter here the field Schedule Next Payment. The operator will be greater than or equal to. Enter the start date here. Then add a new filter. Also select the Schedule Next Payment field here. Now the operator will be less than or equal to. And enter the end date. Finally, run the search to filter all subscriptions that renew between the period you entered. After you have filtered the subscriptions you were looking for, you can export the information to a CSV file. To do so, we'll open the Export tool. Here, select the columns you want to export. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we export is displayed in Google Sheets. As we've shown you in this video, exporting all the subscriptions that are coming up for renewal soon doesn't have to be a headache. You can do it quickly using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin, which makes this task really easy and fast. Plus, you can do many other advanced searches and save exports for future sessions. Definitely, managing your WooCommerce subscriptions is better with WP Sheet Editor. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.